gentlemen, keep your eyes on the far end of the formation. Number 5 and number 6 will change their position, and the team is presenting a triangular shape called Delta. The speed of the team is about 400 knots, ladies and gentlemen, and the distance between each aircraft is 3 meters only. Toblerone chocolate is one of many gastronomic highlights of Switzerland. Who doesn't know the triangular chocolate with the unmistakable triangular peaks? There it is. Observe now an impressive formation change into another Swiss label called Milking Chair. These chairs are used by the farmers to milk their cows on the alpine pastures. Peter, as a Swiss pioneer, I'll take the opportunity to introduce you to the pilots. The leader of the Patrouille Suisse 2013 is Captain Simon Billeter. The pilot of the main section of flight captains Rodolfo Freiburghaus, Gunnar Jansen and Kyle Lascha. The solo team consists of Reto Amstutz and Michael Meister. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead where you can see the formation delta of the Patrouille Suisse 2013 reappearing on stage for the Grande Cinque Sexy in front of your eyes. For a short time to watch the main formation approaching from your right.
Nou, dat ging helemaal lekker. Nee.
Want to look at your half left now, you will see the landing lights of their speed is about 260 knots, which is the Tiger's limiting speed to lower the gear. When you fly by the jet, you are subject to G-force. G-force can be positive and negative, which implies that the weight of your body will be subject to variations of weight depending on acceleration. And they're changing in a diamond shape. gentlemen, look to your right.
Kijken.
Tiger at one point of this circular arc. Initial climb rate of more than 170 meters per second. Air combat training within the Swiss Army. Now our lead solo and red dog shots from the right performing 2 double rolls.
Ja, lul. Weg voor staan.
Wow.
Ja, daar hebben ze geoefend.
Nou, dat denk ik wel, ja.